Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 3 o'clock Eastern Time. Markets, of course, all eyes were on the financial markets as we had another roiling day. Early on, the stock market down almost another 200. Although right now at 3 o'clock, the market's only down about 45 points. So it did cut some losses. And we did not take out yesterday's low in the stock market. Of course, the important stock market is, it's just a barometer of how the world feels, how the United States feels. And of course, it hadn't felt very well in the last couple of days. But for cotton today, cotton just still languished. We closed December at 63.5, down about 15 points. Still in harvest, of course. We're not even 50% harvested. There's more feeling that the pipeline's getting better filled every day. So it may be hard for this market to really run up. We'll have to see. Just from the technical outlook and from the seasonality of it all, cotton should trade sideways to down. And as you've been reading our cotton letter, we talk about how historically, or more often than not, cotton tends to make its low in the month of November. Of course, that's almost half a month away, so we'll certainly see. Over in the grains today, they rallied for a couple of reasons. One is that the dollar was down today, but I think more importantly is we're probably approaching 50% gathered on corn, and we're not seeing any any pressing sales in here because of harvest. I think a lot of that was preemptively dialed in, so we'll have to see. The other thing was there was some rhetoric going around that some of these huge fund traders are coming out of stocks, stock market positions, and they're looking around saying, well, what's cheap, relatively speaking? Well, corn, beans, and cotton are cheap, so they're probably buying some corn in here. As a matter of fact, corn could get some kind of little upside move. So suffice to say, we're not really catching the big selling pressure that we thought we might. And of course, now that we're higher than when the crop report came out, it's it's kind of hard for people to come in and want to sell this market. So still think, though, we got a huge crop, record crop. We should tip our hat to that and probably try to break back down one more time. Some of this hocus pocus cycle stuff suggesting we can make one more big low in the grains, say late November, early Christmas, or early December, and then that should maybe do it till we get into 2015 first quarter. That remains to be seen. We do get exports on tomorrow morning, Friday morning. They were delayed because of Columbus Day, and we'll see what those are all about. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.